2019 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power passenger seat, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, keyless start, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.